Start the recording. We will start the. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Heist Placements and Heist Digital Academy. So today we are here for the demo class of Java, which is conducted by Heist Placements and Heist Digital Academy. So this is a training and placement program. It is for 3 months and we are charging only 300 rupees for this whole program. For 300 rupees, we give training on the technical demos, technical domains that you select, plus job assistant, as well as intern certification. So in this 3 months, the IT domains that we gonna train you are on data science, which is based on Python, PHP plus Android, AngularJS and Node.js, Salesforce, Amazon Web Services, Java, testing, which is both automation and Selenium, WordPress plus digital marketing, spoken English plus MS Office and MS Excel, interview skills and communication skills. So these sessions are for 2 hours and they are completely online. We have 1.5 hour session on technical domains and another half an hour on communications and skills domain. So these sessions are given by trainers who have almost 10 plus years of experience in the market industry. And we have 2 batches in this whole thing. Like 2 are from one is in the morning batch and one batch would be in the evening. So morning batch it is from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. and evening it would be from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. As these timings are feasible for all the categories, we have put this timings, that is like homemakers or students or working students, anyone can attend this session during these timings. So in this session, as I already told you, we provide training, job assistance, and intern certification. This job assistance would be given in as a part of placements. So HISE has been tagged with almost 150 plus MNC companies who would like provide 3 to 12 lakhs per annum of package. So when there are openings, when you just get registered with the HISE, these profiles will be sent to the interviews whenever there are openings in these MNC companies. So guys, I request you to all please share these details with your friends in the network and your batchmates or classmates so that they can also avail this program and get these benefits. For today's session, I request you all to be on mute and write down your queries or doubts, whatever you have that can be asked at the end of the session, or you can drop your queries in the chat box. I request Lakshmi ma'am to please take up the session now and to start the demo.
Okay, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. I'm Gaya Lakshmi. I'm your Java trainer. I have 9 years of experience in Java, and I'll start your Java training from basic Java to advanced Java. In this training, you come across many Java programs, and at the end of the training, you are able to complete the project, and also you will be good at programming. In basic Java, you will come across the basic definitions, keywords of Java, the features of the Java, variables, data types, all these basic concepts. And next, we'll go through the core Java, like control statements, Java object classes, and remind OOPS concepts in Java, abstraction, encapsulation, and also exceptions. After completion of this core Java part, we'll enter into a Java 8. Here we have Java Lambda expressions, collector classes, static default methods, and string joiner classes. And finally, we'll go through the advanced Java. In advanced Java, you'll learn about servlets, like servlet lifecycle, servlet interfaces. Using this servlet, you are able to design an interface. It is like creating a web application, and also it consists of some scripting elements, expressions, tags, and JSP actions. And this is your complete syllabus. In these 3 months, we'll complete from basic Java to the advanced Java. Along with this, we'll also tell you the programming so that you will be able to code good in Java language. And I'll share you the screen to show the topics and also some basic things. Yeah, see this in basic Java, you will have what is Java. That means how we'll write the programming in Java, and when the Java was introduced, all this will be included in this. And Java variables, how we'll declare the variables in Java, what are the data types we have used in Java, and the operators, and also keywords. And next, you learn about these control statements, and these statements are very useful to us in writing logic for the programs, because mostly for writing a logic we'll use for loop, while, do while, all this. And to transfer the control we'll use this break and continue statements. And Java object classes. Java is an object oriented programming language. So in this we'll come across OOPS concepts, and also objects, classes, and methods. Methods are nothing but functions in our C and C++ language. And a new word introduced, that is constructors, and static keyword, and this keyword. And next, in OOPS concept, we have 4 features. They are Java polymorphism, abstraction, inheritance, and encapsulation. In this, polymorphism includes method overloading, overriding. These concepts are about giving a same method with different parameter names, all these. And super keyword. This can be used in inheritance concept. And final keyword. Actually, we'll use these type of keywords whenever we want to declare anything as constant, all those things. And final class and variables and abstraction. What is an abstract class? All this here in abstraction, you will have only declaration, but it doesn't have any implementation for the methods. And also how interface will be different from classes, and what type of methods will be there inside the interface. All topics will be covered in Java abstraction. And next, Java encapsulation. Here you will come across the packages, access modifiers like public, private, default, and protected. That means these can be used for where you can access the particular class and where you cannot access the class. This can be decided using these access modifiers. And again, what is encapsulation? And next, exception. Runtime errors. All the runtime errors will be handled through the exception handlings. And an exception means it will disrupt your normal flow of execution of a program. So this can be solved here. And what are the types of exceptions and keywords? And next, coming to the Java collections, here you will come across the hashes, hash maps, and the linked hash maps, array lists, and linked lists, and also various type of iterators also. So after this Java collections, you will enter into the Java 8. Actually, Java 8 is slightly different from the normal basic and basic Java. So here you will get the lambda expression. That means a nameless functions. If it is a function, but it doesn't have any name. And also some interfaces and some application program interface like APIs and collectors. And also joining of strings, string classes, all will be included in Java 8. After this, you will enter into the advanced Java. Here you learn about the servlet. That means servlet life cycle. When we start a servlet, up to when it will be there. These topics will be discussed in servlet life cycle. And generic servlet class, and how to connect our database to, or store the values using servlet class, and HTTP servlets, and also Java server pages, JSP, and the working of the JSP, its scripting elements, expressions, and actions, and processing of HTML. We'll take one form or one registration or login form in a HTML page, and we'll process that using Java server pages. We'll integrate it to it. And next one is JSP custom tag development. And these are about your topics for the entire Java training. After completion of these and advanced Java topics also, then we'll start a small project that is depends on these topics only. So you can easily do it. And also parallelly, you'll also get the programming also, because for each and every concept there will be a different type of program. You'll come across the programs, and also you are able to, at the end of the 3 months, you'll be able to do the project or programming also in Java. And this is about your syllabus for the 3 months training of Java program. And that's it.
Guys, if you have any doubts, you can just post it or you can ask to the ma'am now. Any doubts? Okay. Lakshmi ma'am, thank you ma'am for giving this demo. So
Yeah.
this is the demo on Java from Heights Placements and Heights Digital Academy. This is a training and placement program, and it is for 3 months for 300 rupees only. So for 300 rupees or 3 months, we give training, job assistance, as well as intern certification also. So the IT domains that are included in this training program are data science, which is based on Python, PHP plus Android, AngularJS, Node.js, Salesforce, Amazon Web Services, Java, testing, which has both automation and Selenium, WordPress plus digital marketing, spoken English plus MS Office and MS Excel, interviews and communication skills. So these sessions are for 2 hours, and these are completely through online. These sessions are given by trainers who have almost 10 plus years of experience in the IT market industry. So you can avail the best from them. We have 2 batches. One is morning batch and evening batch. Morning batch, it is from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. and evening batch, it is from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. So these timings are feasible for all the categories like working women, home-based workers, or students. And so as I already told you, we provide job assistance also, because HISE has been tagged with almost 150 plus MNC companies, which offer 3 to 12 lakhs per annum package. So those who get registered with HISE, these profiles will be pushed into this MNC companies. Like whenever they have openings, you will be called to the interview, and then you will be assisted to start your career in this IT industry. So guys, please share these details with your friends network and your classmates or batchmates. So they can also avail this program, get the benefits from this program. Thank you guys. Thank you for attending this session. I request host to please stop the recording now. Host.
Yeah, can I end the session?
Guys, if you have any doubts, you can drop